Today, talking about my total Lexus IS350. Let's get into it. Welcome to another episode of Tuned in Washington. Today we're in the shop. It's Sunday. We're gonna be talking about that vehicle right behind us. It's the banner vehicle on that YouTube channel cover. It is none other than my Lexus IS350. This is a 2007. And it's been sitting here for about 5 months. So today is the day that we're finally gonna get it out. It was involved in a rear end accident, March of 2024.
Fuck, I just got rear-ended. Fuck. I'm okay. So I just got rear-ended. He hit me pretty hard. My screens popped out, my vents popped out. It's all good though, everyone's okay. I don't know if this is savable.
This is a 2007 Lexus IS350. It's got the 3.5 liter 2GR FSE. So it's kind of a sleeper. I would say this is a wolf in sheep's clothing kind of vehicle. You may think it's an IS250 because it's debadged. And some of the upgrades I've done the F Sport shift knob, got the F Sport pedals, as well as a carbon fiber steering wheel on the interior. Did the carbon fiber door handle. These do illuminate typically, but my battery's dead. So today, we're actually getting this vehicle finally out of here. We were involved in an accident back in March of 2024, so it's been about a year since we've actually driven this vehicle. There's that 3.5 liter V6 and the battery's completely dead. So we're gonna get this guy out of here. It's two 10 millimeters. Pull that sucker out of there. All right guys, the battery is in. It's just a used battery. Got the key fob right here. See if she starts. All right, moment of truth. Haven't started this thing in, I wanna say like 4 months now. Uh-oh. Woo! There she is, folks. She is started. Yeah, she's in limp mode right now. It doesn't want to rev over 2,500. All right, guys, we got the rear bumper off. It's right behind us over there. I can't drive this over to my buddy Phil's shop. It's because it's running in limp mode right now. It won't rev above 2,500 RPMs. So it's back to U-Haul. We're gonna grab the GX, tow this thing over to him. All right, guys, we had to grab the U-Haul. I got the IS350 right there behind me. The car is in limp mode, as I was saying, so we got the GX out, sponsored by U-Haul. Maybe someday, I wish. U-Haul, get at me if you want a sponsorship with Tuned in Washington. completely curb one of my wheels. Jeez. Alright guys, we are in the Lexus GX470 now. I have the IS behind me there. You can kind of see it through the window. I'm gonna head over to my buddy's shop. We're just gonna take 525 over there to Mukilteo. Alright guys, we are finally here at my buddy's shop. His name's Phil. He's gonna be working on the IS350. Still got the bumper off. Just unloaded it. There she is. Looking pretty good. It's finally moved after about 4 months. And that pretty much wraps up this week's episode of Tuned in Washington. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. It really helps grow the channel. It also helps us buy new mods for all of our project cars. And we'll catch you guys next time.